Greetings from the apocalypse. Today I'm going to show you how to cut your solder so you can actually use it instead of it flying all over the room. Okay, so the easiest way to cut your solder is to take it and make a little fringe. I use these nice sharp kitchen shears because they cut really well. Just make sure you never put your fingers in the path of the blade because they cut really well. So what I'm going to do is cut a little fringe on the side here. You know, how wide you make the little lashes depends on how big you want your solder to be. A lot of times I do take my flat nose pliers and kind of flatten it out a little bit because they tend to curl up, especially if you're making little ones. But then all I have to do is put my finger on the outside of my little fringe that I've just cut. You have to make sure, of course, that it's clear of the path of the scissors. But then I can just cut like this. And there's my solder, instead of having it fly all over the place. Now, you're still going to lose a piece or two occasionally, but the other way is like having your own personal, like, ticker tape solder parade.